Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Security Copilot in Microsoft Purview, an overview about it. So I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logging on to the portal. This is security.microsoft.com. Now, to begin with, Microsoft Security Copilot is a cloud-based AI platform that can assist security and compliance professionals in protecting their organization's data. Security and compliance professionals can use Security Copilot to identify, summarize, triage, and remediate issues within the Microsoft Purview solutions, which is DLP, insider risk management, communication compliance, and e-discovery. If you want to read more about it, you can read on Microsoft documentation about what is Microsoft Security Copilot, experiences, get started and with Microsoft Security Copilot and do some labs and authentication, understanding, prompting, and the owner settings. Now, Security Copilot is integrated with Microsoft Purview. When you sign up for Security Copilot in the same tenant as Microsoft Purview, you can use both the Security Copilot embedded and standalone experiences. Now, if you would see purview.microsoft.com, and we can use Security Copilot capabilities like summarizing DLP or insider risk management alerts, which is embedded into Microsoft Purview features. Now, Copilot in Microsoft Purview embedded experience, like you see here, is a set of capabilities that are embedded in Microsoft Purview features. Now, when you see the search tab here, you can open the Security Copilot in Microsoft Purview by selecting the Copilot icon in the navigation bar. Now, if you have not configured it, it will say Copilot hasn't been set up yet. To get Copilot, contact Security-Global Administrator. Learn about Copilot. All right. Now, if you'll see this, what all we can do with the embedded experience of Purview and how it will help us. We will get AI generated summaries from Microsoft Purview, product documentation. We will get summarized alerts in DLP. We'll get insights into policies. We will get summarization of alerts in insider risk management. We will get the summarized policy matches based on trainable classifiers for communication compliance. We will get contextual summary for e-discovery cases. We'll gain insights in Activity Explorer data and generate filters from natural language prompts. Now, there are some key features in standalone experience as well. Now, if you want to enable the Microsoft Purview source in Microsoft Security Copilot, ensure that you have permissions and you go to this documentation. It says opensecurity.copilot.microsoft.com. Okay, let's give it some time. Setting up the tenant. It'll take a couple of minutes. Okay, it will come up with these options to set up the Microsoft Copilot in your tenant. You'll select the subscription. I have the free trial. You'll select the resource group name or create a new one here. I'll do test RG1. Capacity name. See what it is. Okay. Prompt evaluation location. Just use this option. Estimated monthly cost is this. Okay, now when you will do it, you'll hit the continue button and it will be created. So make sure that you have done proper planning, financial planning as well to complete it. Okay. Now when you have created it, you will get sample prompts like show me the top 5 DLP alerts or summarize the DLP alert with ID this, about the risk profile, about top 5 insider risk management alerts. Okay, so this is how you get the security Copilot in Microsoft Purview overview. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.